Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your background image in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you have not already, and after opening it up you want to go ahead and click get started to be taken to your dashboard where you can open up all the websites that you have. So here in our dashboard we can go ahead and find our dashboard with websites. We want to open up our website by clicking on it right here. That's going to take us to this page where we can get started with editing our website, and now we can get started with changing the background image. So guys, to be able to do so, what we want to do first is to go ahead and look right here at the left side of the screen where we can find all the sections we can access, and what you want to do is open up the edit mode right here. So you want to click on edit. This is going to open up this edit mode right here of your website where you can get started with changing your website. As you can see here we have our header, footers, midsection, and so on. There we can get started with editing. So as you can see, here is our midsection where we can get started with changing our background image. There are two options we can do guys. We can either go right here and look at the right side of the screen and take a look at the menu where one of the options is called edit section. So you want to open up edit section, and in the edit section option you will have this new menu where you have your design, colors, and background. You want to open up background, and now guys, as you can see in your background you can go ahead and open up your image that you want to use. So you can click on that image right here, and this is going to enable you to upload a file or browse stock images and so on. Choose the image you want to use as your background. After editing it, it's going to be applied to your website right here, and this is your new image. You can even go ahead and add a new block right here if this is the second way you want to do it, to upload your image, and then you can select how big you want it to be, either part of a background and so on. And those are two ways you can get started with changing the image on your background. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.